Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use anchored objects in Adobe InDesign for creating a professional flowable ebook. Let's get started step by step. Step 1. Prepare your document. First, open Adobe InDesign and create a new document. Choose a layout suitable for ebook or digital publishing. Make sure your text frames are ready for content flow. Step 2. Place your text content. Now add your main text into the document. You can type directly or place text from a file. Keep your content structured using paragraph styles for better formatting. Step 3. Insert an image. Next, select the image you want to place inside your text. Go to File, Place, and insert your image into the layout. Step 4. Create the anchored object. Now, here comes the important part. Cut the image using Ctrl+X. Place your cursor inside the text where you want the image to appear. Then paste it using Ctrl+V. Your image is now converted into an anchored object. Step 5. Adjust anchored object settings. Select the image, then go to Object, Anchored Object, Options. Here, choose the positioning style. Inline for simple flow, above line for clean layout, or custom for advanced control. Adjust spacing so the image does not overlap the text. Step 6. Add more anchored objects. You can repeat the same process to add multiple images, icons, or boxes inside your text. Each object will stay connected with the text flow. Step 7. Export your ebook. Finally, export your file as EPUB Reflowable. Go to File, Export, EPUB Reflowable. Now your ebook will adjust perfectly on all devices.
Anchored objects are the key to making professional, responsive, and clean ebook layouts in Adobe InDesign. If you use them properly, your design will look more dynamic and mobile-friendly.